So in today's video we are taking more of the interior apart and cleaning it down and stuff and getting it ready for paint in today's video. So in today's video we're basically painting the whole thing. We're talking like everything from like up to the windows. We are removing the headliner. We're gonna paint the doors. We're gonna paint everything in this steering column, everything. So I already recorded the whole video, and as you can see I'm all black in my head and stuff because like that headliner was pretty damn dirty and everything just came down from it. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a like down below if you guys haven't yet, and then you'll get to see more of this awesome Firebird build, which is awesome. You know, go follow the Stan Sam on Instagram too. So there we go, guys. We just got the headline out. It was actually pretty easy. A pretty smart system that the Camaro or everybody actually had, with these small steel rods going through with like some plastic clips that slides into these holes right here. So what I'm gonna do now is take some plastic and let it drop down here in between the door and the window, so it's gonna be easier to, you know, paint it off, funny enough. So just mask off the inside of the door with some plastic over here, and then I'm gonna put something over the window, and then also tape off the window crank, and of course also the door handle, and then we should be ready to paint. And what I'm gonna use is basically just some paint that's gonna have some rough surface so you don't like scratch it or anything. Yeah, I'm not even sure what color it is. I think it's gonna be like a black, brownish, whatever. It is gonna be dark, it is gonna be some kind of black, but what kind of black I'm not quite sure. I think it have like a brownish color to it, whatever, but it should be really strong, so we're gonna use that. So guys, we just got done prepping up the last few things. We unbolted some stuff, removed some wires and etc. So now the whole surface is ready to basically get painted. I'm just gonna wipe it down with some metal cleaner and stuff and get it all nice. And then we're gonna lay down the first coat with some paint, you know. Then it's gonna start to take form. Everything's gonna be black in this car. We're gonna have zero interior. It's literally gonna be a steering column, some gauges, a gear shift I guess, and seat belts and seats. That's it. Everything else is gonna be out the car. Hey yo, it's your boy, and yeah, we are laying down the second coat now, and we just laid down like the base coat or whatever, you know, like a really heavy coat, and we're also only gonna do 2 coats as we are doing really heavy coats, as it's not really necessary to do all these fine small layers or whatever, because it's not gonna look pretty anyway, like, you know, it's gonna be rough. It's a race car, you feel me? So then after that, I might gonna go and check if I missed some few small spots or whatever. When you're painting so much, you are like, it's about to happen that like you miss some little spot on some angle, like the bottom of the steering column or, you know, something. But yeah, we're gonna jump in now and lay down the next coat, and I'll catch you guys after that, and I'll show you guys the finished product. So we also got done painting like the side of the cowl area here or whatever, by the door hinges and stuff, and turned out really damn nice. Everything just looks so clean when it's not like 3 different colors, you know, like bare metal, red, silver, and all these colors. So that turned out real damn nice. In this side we don't have any metal work to do, but over on this side we actually do. Down here there's a hole in this panel right here. It's a really easy hole to fix or whatever, but we painted it anyway, it doesn't really matter, but we're gonna cut that little section out right here and put in a new metal plate, so we're gonna have to do that, you know. A pretty dumb place to have a hole, even though it actually gives ventilation to like the rest of the cabin or whatever. It's definitely coming a long way with the build right now, paint wise and prepping everything, because literally when all this paint is dry, we're gonna be ready to move on to like the last few small things, which is the cowl panel, window, drop the engine in, turn the key. So guys, we just got done, you know, painting everything, and it turns out pretty damn amazing. So let me show you guys. It turned out real damn nice.